What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the GeminiJets Lufthansa 747-400 in the new livery. This was a May 2024 release. It's it's registration Delta-Alpha Bravo Victor Yankee. Super excited to have this. Just been trying to build up my Lufthansa fleet. I've actually flown on the Lufthansa 747-400, not this registration, I believe it was Victor Whiskey that I flew on, but either way, I believe I've caught this one actually either in Frankfurt or elsewhere where they fly, but super excited to have this. So let's get right to it. Here's a classic box. Well, actually it's not a classic box. It's got the gray sort of or silverish sort of print, which is interesting. The picture of the model, registration, Lufthansa 747 400, etc. Back, whatnot, there we go. Sides, etc. There's the model, there's the information and whatnot. So yeah, what do they have? They have the GEs on these. All right, yeah, let's take a look at this model. So I think now all I'm missing is one of them in, I don't have the 400 in the old livery yet, but that's kind of been my goal. It's been a small goal of mine to kind of get every Lufthansa wide body aircraft, or at least ones that I've either seen in the US here or that are flown into LA in terms of the old and the new livery, but it's been a little bit tricky. There's still quite a few that I need, but really happy to have this one now finally as well, given that I've flown on a 747-400 from Lufthansa. Alright, here we go. So here's the model. Looking very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. The 747 model from GeminiJets is actually not bad. It's pretty good, and let's take a look at the details, see how good it really is. So, Lufthansa logo, Star Alliance logo, cockpit windows up there. Everything looks really good. Victor Yankee there in the gear, and the gear looks pretty good. You have the first door. Ooh, my bad. You have the first door right there, 747-400, the little yellow. The only yellow remaining now in the livery is right there. The Lufthansa titles, looking very nice. You have the upper deck sort of emergency exit door right there. You got the antenna at the top, looking really nice. That second door there, looking nice too. Got the nice markings for the lights right there on the wing, on the leading edge. The engines, those GE CF6s looking pretty good. Take a look at that. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. The wing looking really nice. Same with the winglet. Moving along, got the overwing exit there. There's no markings on the wing, I guess with Lufthansa. You got the Wi-Fi domes and stuff, the various antennas and domes on the top. The other doors, looks like a little bit of dirt right there. Registration with the German flag, Deutschland flag, and then the EU flag right here. So again, it's Delta Alpha Bravo Victor Yankee. And then finally that final exit there at the back there with the sort of dark blue and the Lufthansa tail, the logo, looking pretty good. Tail section's a little dirty there. Everything looks pretty good here at the back, the APU port hole and everything. And then the same on this side, you got the bulk bin door, cargo door, and cargo door, and so on and so forth. This aircraft actually does not have a name. I know some aircraft in the Lufthansa fleet do have a name, but this one does not actually have one, not printed on it, which is interesting. But yeah, overall a very nice model. We'll take a look at the top down. As I say, there's no overwing exit markings, but there's good detail on the wings. And then the bottom, nothing fancy at all. There's no like Lufthansa belly or anything, but the gear's pretty solid. That one does not roll. Interesting. That's kind of just stuck into position. These ones are a little nice and springy. And these roll and tilt nicely. Why does it feel like they almost want to fall out? Interesting. I've never actually noticed that. That's kind of interesting how like springy they are. They don't fall out, but they're pretty loose. I've never noticed that before. But yeah, there's good markings and good detail underneath and whatnot. The gear looks well, or pretty good. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Pretty beautiful model, and well done to GeminiJets. You know, no quality issues or anything, and good mold and whatnot. So I cannot complain. I'm happy to have this. Hoping they do a re-release with the old livery one. That would be something I would pick up for sure. But yeah, so I know this was kind of a shorter one, but I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm trying to get back into some of these videos. I know there's a bit of a hiatus in videos coming from me. I've just kind of amassed a bunch of models that I now need to review and go through. So expect a somewhat continuous stream of videos. There's probably going to be some breaks in between. Life is pretty busy and I've got a lot of other stuff going on. But I'm going to try my best to get as much content, at least in terms of the model side of things, out there. There will be some spotting stuff coming eventually too again. And hopefully some flying videos as well. But yeah, anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos as well as other content. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.